Welcome to Session 14. Parentheses determine whether a negative sign belongs to an exponential base. That small visual difference can reverse an answer's sign. Today, you will identify the complete base, distinguish a negative base from a leading negative, use even and odd exponents, and follow operation order. An exponent applies only to its base. In -5 squared with parentheses, the base is -5. Two negative factors multiply to +25. Without parentheses, in -5 squared, the base is +5 and the leading negative remains outside. Exponentiation happens first, giving -25. For a negative base, even exponents produce positive powers and odd exponents produce negative powers. Evaluate -3 cubed with parentheses. Step 1. The complete base is -3. Step 2. Expand as -3 times -3 times -3. Step 3. Three negative factors give a negative sign, and 3 cubed is 27. Therefore, -3 cubed equals -27. Check. An odd exponent leaves one unpaired negative factor. Evaluate -2 to the fourth power plus 5 without parentheses. Step 1. Evaluate the exponent before the leading negative. Step 2. 2 to the fourth is 16, so the expression becomes -16 plus 5. Step 3. Combine the signed integers to get -11. Therefore, the expression equals -11. Check. A rough estimate confirms the results should remain negative. A common error is treating -4 squared and -4 squared with parentheses as identical. Without parentheses, the negative is outside the power. Use the correct method. With parentheses, the base is -4 and the square is +16. Without them, the result is -16. Therefore, the parentheses change which symbols the exponent controls. A square area model uses a signed scale factor of -3. Step 1. Squaring means multiply the signed factor by itself. Step 2. -3 times -3 has matching signs. Step 3. The magnitude is 9. Therefore, the squared scale is +9 square units. Let us recap. Box the full base, apply the exponent, then handle any outside sign. For a quick check, consider which is positive, -4 squared with parentheses or without parentheses. The parenthesized negative base squared is +16. Keep learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com. Visit www.bridgedoexam.com for the full lesson, practice questions, and instant feedback.